Hello and welcome. If you are learning English, this audio is for you. You do not need to understand every word. You just need to listen. When you listen every day, your brain will slowly get used to English. You will feel more comfortable. You will feel more confident. Just 10 minutes a day can help you improve. So take a deep breath, relax your body, and listen. Anna is a woman. She is 36 years old. She wants to learn English, but she feels afraid. She thinks English is difficult. She thinks she is too old. One day, she says to herself, "I will try, just a little." So she starts with one simple thing. She listens to English for 10 minutes. The first day is hard. She does not understand much. She hears many words, but they are not clear. She feels tired. She wants to stop. But she remembers her promise. Just 10 minutes, she says. So she continues. The second day, she listens again. It is still difficult, but something is different. She hears a few words. She hears hello. She hears morning. She smiles a little. Every day she listens. Sometimes she is busy. Sometimes she is tired. But she still listens. 10 minutes, every day. After 1 week, something changes. She can understand simple sentences. She can hear familiar words. She feels happy. After 1 month, she feels stronger. She can follow short stories. She can guess the meaning. She is not afraid anymore. One day, her son asks her, "Mom, can you speak English?" She laughs and says, "A little." Her son smiles. They start to learn together. They listen together. They repeat together. Their home becomes a happy place. Anna is not perfect. She still makes mistakes. She still forgets words. But she does not stop. Because she knows something important. Small steps are powerful. Every day she listens. 10 minutes, again and again. Slowly, she changes. Now she is not afraid of English. Now she enjoys it. Now she believes in herself. And you are listening right now. That is your first step. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to continue. Listen every day. Just 10 minutes. And one day you will see. You have changed. Thank you for listening. See you in the next story.